How to know if someone blocked you on Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Click on Compose at the bottom right corner of your screen. Type in the person you want to know if they blocked you or not. Then send them a simple email. After this, if they don't reply you, that means they have blocked you. Or what you can do is click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen, which will lead you to these options. Scroll down and click on Contacts and search or simply directly contact them through this page. Another way what you can do is click on three lines at the top left again and go to Spam. Search if there is their Gmail or not. Sometimes you may feel like they have blocked you, but their Gmail will be in the spam folder. And this is how to know if someone blocked you on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.